Your new home awaits at Addison Landing. Hi, I'm Alex. Let me show you around. Conveniently located in Troy, our community of new single-family homes offers you the space you have been looking for in a location you'll love. We have a variety of floor plans for you to choose from, and they are designed with you in mind. Flexible, modern spaces on the first floor will give plenty of room for you, your family, and guests to spread out. The kitchen is the hub of the house and opens up to the dining and living area. It is the perfect place for entertaining or supervising homework while preparing dinner. And did I mention all appliances are included, even the washer and dryer? Enjoy a spacious owner's suite with a walk-in closet and connecting bathroom and enough additional bedrooms for everyone in the house. Head to the basement for even more space to entertain or to store your extra belongings. You get to be a part of the process at Addison Landing. Select finishes that fit your style and see your dream come to life. Plus, you'll love the timely updates and photos you get while your home is under construction. Addison Landing is sure to check all your home search needs. All we're missing is you. Ready to hear more about the location? We are conveniently located off of Lytle Road in Troy, Ohio. A plethora of restaurants, shops, and parks are all within 10 minutes, meaning you never have to go far for what you need. And with I-75 nearby, you'll have easy access to both Dayton and Cincinnati. You'll love having your kids in Troy schools and cheering on the Trojans. Wondering how to get started? Click the orange Contact Us button to schedule a visit to learn more. We can't wait to welcome you home.